When I look for a quick way to clean dust or crumbs, I always focus on ease and speed. I know how fast mess builds up in cars, desks, and small homes in the United States. That is why I carefully reviewed each option to find the best handheld vacuum cleaner for different needs. I am sharing what stands out, what works well, and where each product may fall short, so you can choose with clarity and confidence. 5 Amazon Basics 2 in 1 corded stick vacuum cleaner. When I review this model, I see a vacuum made for simple daily cleaning. I like how the corded power removes worry about battery life. I find the 2-in-1 design useful for switching between floor cleaning and handheld tasks. It feels well suited for apartments and smaller living spaces. The light body helps reduce effort during quick cleanups. 2-in-1 stick and handheld design. Washable HEPA filter system. Lightweight structure for easy handling. I do notice the dust cup fills fast, which means more trips to empty it. The cord may limit reach in larger rooms. Still, I see strong value for basic home use. 4 JONYJ Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. When I look at this vacuum, I notice its focus on power and portability. I see it as a strong choice for car interiors and pet hair. The cordless design gives freedom to move without restriction. I find the suction strength impressive for its size. The extra nozzles help clean tight spaces. High suction airflow strength. Cordless rechargeable battery design. Washable filter for repeat use. I feel battery life fits short cleaning sessions best. It is ideal for cars and quick messes rather than full rooms. 3 BLACK+DECKER dustbuster AdvancedClean handheld vacuum. When I review this model, I think of long-standing trust. I often see this brand in United States households. I like how the cordless design supports fast grab and go cleaning. The rotating nozzle improves reach in corners and vehicles. The dust bowl holds more debris than many handheld options. Cordless everyday cleaning convenience. Rotating nozzle for flexible reach. Large dust bowl capacity. I do note the higher price. Charging time may feel slow. Even so, I see this as a dependable long-term choice. 2 HOTO Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. When I examine this vacuum, I see a modern design built for desks and electronics. I appreciate that it also works as an air blower. I think remote workers and students will find this helpful. The compact size makes storage simple. 4-in-1 cleaning function. Compact modern body design. Strong Vortex airflow system. I feel it needs proper charging care. It works best for light debris and workspace cleaning. 1 ServoMaster handheld vacuum cordless. When I review this model, I see strong balance across price, power, and ease. I rank it first because it fits many needs. I like how the cordless build allows fast cleanup anywhere. The washable HEPA filter supports long-term use. The lightweight body reduces strain. Portable cordless cleaning build. Washable HEPA filtration system. Lightweight design for daily tasks. I do not see it as a deep carpet cleaner. For everyday messes, I consider it the best overall choice. Outro. When I compare all options, I focus on how people really clean each day. Some need a car vacuum. Others want quick home use or desk care. I believe choosing the best handheld vacuum cleaner becomes easier when you match the tool to your routine. I recommend checking the description links for updated prices and details before making your final decision.